Anyway, hi friends, and welcome back to my little cottage corner of the internet. My name is Emma, and if you are new here, welcome. If you're not new here, thanks for joining me once again. The brain fog is not good today. Rebooting. This channel is a place where I like to share some of my various adventures and endeavors, and recently I've been sharing a lot about my journey with health and mental wellness, and I also do some commentary kind of stuff. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, maybe stick around, check out another video, I don't know, do what you want to do. One of the things that I've been doing on the side to make some extra money, especially now that I'm not able to work with this chronic illness stuff, it has been very helpful to be able to do things from home, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I've been downsizing my wardrobe. I've been selling some clothes online. Now, I have not had much success outside of eBay. I've tried Depop, I've tried Poshmark. I like shopping on Poshmark, but I've not had much luck selling anything over there. I've sold, in the last 2 months, probably 15, 20 clothing items on eBay. So, definitely not like a full-time gig or anything, but it's nice, especially since it's stuff that I already have laying around. So I'm going to be taking you through that process today. Some of these clothes are clothes that I bought for myself and just for one reason or another didn't want to keep. But a lot of the clothes that I have on today's agenda are clothes that were just given to me for free from friends and family that weren't going to wear these clothes, didn't want to go through the trouble of getting rid of them, and I said I'll take them. They were just gonna throw them away anyway. So, okay, hi. So, I love online thrifting. I love thrifting in general. But anyway, this is the first shirt. Very cute little floral pattern. I'm gonna cut this awkward string. It has the option to tie. This is what the back looks like. Then basically what I do is if there are any cool details, basically, I try to take pictures of those, plus the tags, plus any instructions for cleaning it, basically. These little tassels, cute little covered gathered loop, very cute. They are elastic, so they're stretchy, they're kind of puffy, it's sort of like balloon or lantern sleeves. It's like a 3/4 / short sleeve, very cute. Then I just fold her up and make sure that there aren't any like loose threads that I need to snip, anything like that. Alrighty, next piece is this cute red snakeskin pattern dress. I love this. It's very pretty. I love the ruffles, first of all. I love the ruffles. The sleeves are also very pretty. They also have elastic at the end, which I love the look of. I don't like the feel of it because, you know, autism and sensory things, but how pretty, and they're ruffly too. I did the same thing, took pictures of the front and back. Now we are going to take the detail pictures again. Underneath like this. I'll do some detail shots of the sleeves. I will get some pictures of the ruffles on the bodice. I'll do a picture of the button, and then I'll get pictures of the tags. Okay, my dog is freaking out. She keeps barking and looking out the window. Oh, you're barking at the neighbor. I see. Evie, it's okay. Never a dull moment with this creature. I was honestly hoping this would fit me, and I knew it probably wouldn't because it's an extra small, and I'm not normally extra small, but I love this. This is beautiful. This one, very summery. I wish I had done this earlier in the year when it was, you know, summer. It is what it is. Cute little tie. Definitely not my color. So next up is this cute little sundress. I think it's meant to be worn off the shoulders, but again, I can't do it sensory wise. Very cute. I think it's kind of like a tribal pattern is what I would call it. It's navy. Very cute little ruffle sleeves. Very summery. It's almost like towel-y. It's very light. It's very like quick drying. My mom got me this when we were on vacation earlier this year, and I did wear it while I was on vacation, and it's very cute, but it's not something that I'm finding myself picking up at home, if that makes sense. Like, it's very fun, but it's not something that I'm gonna wear regularly. I figure it could be better off in another home. My back is really hurting. Thank you, chronic illness. And I just really want to get this done today, but I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to just stand. So we will see. I'm gonna try and knock this out. A few more shirts. We'll do this one. I thrifted this not even a month ago. Very cute. I love the way it looks. It is just a little bit too heavy for my personal taste. It's very simple, and I like that it's not too cottagecore. Like, if you're just getting into it, I love cottagecore, which is not what most of these clothes are. This is another one that I thrifted not that long ago. It is very, very comfortable, but to be honest, it's just a little bit too light for my personal taste. It washes out my skin because, as I'm sure you've noticed, I'm very pale, and it doesn't take much to make me look like a vampire. So, yes. This is so soft. I would absolutely get this 100 times over if it was in a different color, but it's not, so oh well. Very cute, just not for me. I'm not a big t-shirt girly, but when I do t-shirts, I tend to opt for something like this that has a floral pattern, because look how cute. Again, and I'm sure you can tell, you can see a pattern here on clothes I buy for myself. I love the ribbing. Super cute. I don't love the way this fits me, and I don't love the cut. This is more of a cropped tee, and you can't really tell because it's a 3X, but it's just, I also don't tend to go for just white or primarily white. I've found it just, again, it washes me out. It doesn't look nice on me, so cute top. Just, it didn't fit me the way I really wanted to. Did you hear that? So, continuing the trend of light colors. These are some really cute things that I do like. I just wish they were, I wish they looked nice on me, but they don't. White sweater. I don't know, it's probably not going to show up super well. Elastic sleeves, love this. The design on this, beautiful. Neckline, love it. Bottom, also nice. I like the elastic. Did take the tag out of this one. Another thing about white that just doesn't work in my home is that I have lots of pets, as I am sure if you've been around for any time you will have picked up on that. Unfortunately, white, it really shows pet hair very, very easily. Anyway, this is the next top. Very cute. I love the ruffled neckline. I love the ruffle sleeves. They're button sleeves. Very cute. I really love this neckline. Very pretty. The sleeves match. Same with the buttons. They also match. It's just, again, too heavy. I get overheated so quickly in this, but I love this top. I haven't even gotten to the pants. Last for the tops is this cardigan. It's got a chevron knitted pattern. My mom gave me this because it didn't end up fitting her. I don't know, I like the design, but it's just not, again, it's not something that I find myself choosing to wear. And if I'm not gonna wear it, I don't want to have it taking up space in my closet because we don't have a whole lot of space. I did really want to go through and get pictures of the pants. I'm gonna have to at least take a break. Harper's saying hi. Normally it's never Harper that's, okay, no. Well, there goes that one. Ow. Okay. All right, do you have to, okay, I have a bunch of other pants in here, but I think that I'm gonna have to be done for right now. Even got hangers to do the pants, like hanging pictures so it would match. Alright, I just ripped that bag. Great, cool, nice. I feel pretty good about that. I also think I'm gonna go through my jewelry. There are things that I do not want anymore, particularly rings, because I've just found I really want to be a ring girly. I'm not. You got your giraffe. we can lay side by side. Okay, you gotta stop flopping on me like that. All right. All right, we'll see you later.